Alright, this is a Hewlett-Packard 54601B digital oscilloscope from around, I think the first designs were released around 1990. This one was purchased at the company I used to work at in 1994, so this is 30 years old. And one of the most profound aspects of modern day cheap oscilloscopes is that their XY modes are horribly slow. And as a demonstration to this, I have this hooked up to an old vector video game, Atari's Tempest. And this is what Tempest looks like when you run it without using the main monitor while you're debugging in the back. You don't have to look at the screen, so I use my scope. And this is what it looks like. And it gives me an idea that video is either working or not, and I don't have to worry about screen burn in on the main CRT, which normally has a spot killer, but you get the idea here. I mean, I can see pretty well that this game is working. I'm going to now do another video showing you a comparison with a very recent digital oscilloscope that's fancy in its color, but does not do this. Okay, here is a relatively recent oscilloscope. This is about, I think, 5 years old in terms of technology, and it's from overseas, and it's a lot cheaper, and it's got this big screen and it's color and it's gorgeous, except its XY mode. This is what this game looks like starting up. This is completely unusable, and you can see why.